This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Time to fix the stairs. Repeat this pattern 5 times so the artist can reach the top of the bushes. Okay, so I have one block, which is this one. These aren't connected, so they don't count, but maybe they're a hint. Oh look, they only want us to use north ones and east ones. Yikes. Let's test what they have. I'm just going to drop this right there. Oh, and there's our one-time use. Okay, but we're only doing one stair. So like I often do, I know I'm not supposed to use this many blocks, but I want to test out. It's better for me to visualize it just by getting some code down and then working off of that. And that's actually what I do for game development and website design. It's what programmers do even in adulthood. So let me throw all these blocks down, and I don't know, I'm not even counting, honestly. I'm just testing something out, and it's going to be wrong, and that's fine. See, I'm using 11 out of 4 blocks. Way too many. North, east, north, east, north, east. Okay. So that actually looked like enough, but we're using way too many blocks. So if we're repeating ourselves in code, there's probably an easier way. Let's take a look here. Northeast, northeast, northeast. Hey, look, northeast and northeast. So we're repeating ourselves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we repeat this 5 times. We repeat this 5 times. Now, if I put, we're supposed to use this in here, this will do the same thing all of this code did. So let me get rid of all of this. And what will happen is 5 times over, we will go north, go east, the computer hits the bottom of this like pink mouth thing and it goes, oh, that was only one time. Zoop, north, east, hits the bottom. That was only my second time. Zoop, third time, fourth time, fifth time. When it hits the bottom at the 5th time, it would run code beneath it if there was any. But for this, there isn't. Let's see. And bam, we did it. Awesome.